Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be replacing suspension on the new convertible. The fronts are leaking and the rears are knocking, so it's definitely due. The car has around 130,000, so I'm sure it's probably not been done at this point, seeing the care of the car previously. So let's hop right into it and swap out the suspension. Now it's going to be 3 bolts on top. Okay, so as you can see in here, it's leaking fluid and, you know, it's making the shock discolored. So that's kind of why we're replacing them. It is definitely going bad. So yeah, you can see in there the gas is coming out. I just find doing it this way is like much easier to get it back in. I think it's harder to fit the ratchet in there up top in the car than it is to fit the bottom, so I just like to take the links off and then do it that way. Okay, so we're going to be putting the new suspension in now. I'm going to get a hand to hold it while I put the top bolts in, and then we're good. Someone's gonna roast me for not wearing gloves, but that's just YouTube comments. I said someone's gonna roast me for not wearing gloves, but that's just YouTube comments. Alrighty, so as we were changing the suspension, we found that the left-hand side axle is torn and is going to need to be replaced. So we're going to be doing that next time. But that's all for this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Alrighty, boys, we out here. Alright, we're coming to the pick apart to pull some parts off for the convertible. Possibly grab a couple of things off of this one because it looks to be a little modified. So might grab a couple things off of there as well. So yeah, we're gonna pull the regulator out of this one, possibly the top off. So let's jump into it. Secure the bag. Oop. There is our regulator. It's been giving us all of the troubles. Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. So we ended up going to a pick apart, pulling parts off of a parts car there, so that we could fix the window in the convertible. That way we can get the car detailed, cleaned up, and ready to be sold or be driven, whatever that situation ends up being. Unfortunately, we didn't get any video putting it in just because it took 2 people and it was a lot of work, so we couldn't really set up a camera. But that is fixed, so now the next step will be cleaning up the car.